The Chronicle of Rain never sought an ending worthy of applause. Instead, it unfolded like a rare volume continually rediscovered by thoughtful generations. Each reader uncovering another timeless truth hidden between its elegant pages. Wherever discernment surpassed haste, wherever grace overcame pride, wherever quiet intellect illuminated uncertainty, wherever compassion restored forgotten hope, and wherever integrity guided courageous hearts, and another unwritten page of Rain's extraordinary legacy gently revealed itself. Her story remained an enduring invitation to cultivate wisdom, preserve wonder, honor truth, embrace thoughtful reflection, and transform ordinary existence into a masterpiece of timeless character, noble purpose, and enduring humanity. There was an unusual elegance in the way Rain confronted disappointment. When reality refused to follow the plans she had carefully imagined, she allowed herself to acknowledge the weight of unsuccessful moments without permitting them to become permanent definitions of her identity. The imagination of Rain often wandered beyond the boundaries of ordinary routine into landscapes created entirely by curiosity. A quiet afternoon could become the opening scene of an elaborate tale. An unfamiliar melody could awaken an entire chain of questions. An abandoned building could inspire thoughts about the lives once sheltered behind its walls. And a distant road could become an invitation to an adventure not yet given a name. Her fascination with possibility protected her from the dullness of repetition. She understood that creativity does not always require magnificent surroundings or extraordinary circumstances. Sometimes it begins with the simple willingness to observe an ordinary thing from an entirely unfamiliar perspective. Rain gradually discovered that the deepest chapters of existence were often written during moments when nobody was watching. In the privacy of thoughtful evenings, she examined her choices with patience, searching not for perfection but for understanding. There was also a remarkable tenderness in the manner through which Rain regarded the people surrounding her. She understood that every individual carried an unseen history, a collection of victories, disappointments, fear, dreams, and private battles that could never be completely understood from outward appearance. Therefore, she chose patience where others might have chosen judgment. A thoughtful question could become an opening for someone who felt unheard, while a simple gesture of kindness could restore confidence to a discouraged spirit. Rain believed that humanity became more meaningful whenever people made room for one another's imperfections and allowed compassion to guide their misunderstanding. As Rain continued forward, her life gradually became less about reaching a final destination and more about appreciating the richness of the journey itself. She learned to welcome uncertainty without surrendering her direction, to pursue ambition without sacrificing humility, and to cherish achievement without forgetting gratitude.